welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. I'm not Lisa, this is Lisa.
Hello.
And I'm Mitch from Rain and Paws. And we are at Lisa's cottage today painting.
And we're continuing because Mitch is on a vacation here. Yeah. And today I've allowed him to pick colors and tell me exactly what to do, which is scary, and I have to layer it the way he says. So we'll see how I do. We'll be right. Oh, why don't you tell the colors?
Okay, so the colors I have picked are Holbein Mauve, or Holbein Mauve, which is a really nice
that is
violety
nice.
Purple color.
Yeah. Is this the order we're putting it in?
This is the order that we're putting them into.
Okay.
So we've got this little piggy Nightfall, beautiful shimmery purple.
Mm-hmm.
We have Tryout Quilla Violet, which we barely have any left because we used it as a faux pillow before.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have this little piggy Macaw, Interference Blue, Green, Gold.
Mm-hmm.
We have Golden Cerulean Blue Deep.
Okay.
Really nice. It's almost a turquoise color.
Uh-huh.
And we have this little piggy Mermaid.
Now you're topping it with the piggy?
Yes.
Okay.
No, we're going to top it with more of the Quilla Violet. Just a touch under the cell activator.
So because I don't normally do it, you can, but you have to be like good with your consistencies if you do that, or be okay with not crisp cells because they do whatever. So for beginners, we don't suggest it.
That's putting a pigment under the cell activator.
Correct.
So I do it all the time. I do pigment only blooms all the time. Lisa does as well, but you don't get the same cell structure as if you put a tube paint underneath.
Like you have to be okay with melty cells and just be okay with the composition and color.
Yep. Cool.
All right, let's do it. Okay, we have a little 8-incher here. And I have Sherwin-Williams. This is called Snowbound. It's just a white, but I do like to add just a touch of water to it because it can be thick sometimes. And I'm just blooming. Pick one bloom.
Yeah. Okay. You can do whatever you like.
Well, no, you're the boss here.
Oh God, no! I was only here to pick colours.
No, you got to tell me exactly what to do.
Okay, so we're just going to do a bloom from the centre, just a normal one.
A normal one. Got it.
Normal one. Don't go too fancy.
All right. So.
So we've got the Holbein Mauve.
And there's no reason, it's just the way I do it. I always start with the piggy for me personally because I love that sparkle coming through, but it doesn't mean it's right, but it'll be and I rarely start with a dark one in the middle, but it'll be pretty to see this be like the center of the bloom, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're going to go this little piggy Nightfall.
Okay. Let's see. I haven't used this color in so long. Nightfall's
one, it's a sleeper. Yeah. It's one that I love using and I love every time I do use it and I forget that it exists.
It's true. It was one of the first, it was from the first release. Like,
one of the OGs along with Mermaid.
Quilla Violet, I'm just drizzling because it's quite strong. Yeah. So I don't need it.
It will take over.
Yeah.
Then on top of Quilla Violet, we've got this little piggy Macaw, and I'm putting that on top of the Quilla Violet so that you really see the Macaw.
And you can see the green kind of come out. You'll see it in these lights suck, by the way. I'll show you a better one soon.
This one is Golden Cerulean Blue Deep. Again, just a little bit of this because it will take over. It's a really nice.
And a color I never use. Yeah. Hi, babe. The husband came in to watch.
He's making an
official title.
Here's Mermaid. One of my faves. Definite. What color cell activator are we using, by the way?
Ooh, we're going to use Payne's Grey topped with white.
Double.
Just a little bit more Quilla Violet on top, just under the cell activator. Perfect.
Okay. We are having fun, babe. Thanks for asking. This first, Payne's Grey first.
So Amsterdam Payne's Grey.
Okay.
And then Amsterdam Titanium White. Just a little drop. And that's going to give us some really defined, crisp cells.
Ready?
Go for it.
It's a good color like that.
Perfection.
Very nice. I love, and now you know I love the parts.
I won't about taking a skewer to this.
Oh,
I will murder you.
You know we only skewer ugly bits, but I love, the parts with no cell activator. And we're not going to get any negative space because it's so small, but if there were negative space,
that would be perfect.
It would be very nice. All right, let's spin her out. And I'm going to show you in a nice light the sparklies.
Now, technically, if you wanted negative space, could you could you tilt it so some of the, do you understand what
You
I mean?
could, but-
At that point or no?
But then it would just get wonky, and I don't like
So
weird,
that throws
weird
everything
shapes.
I got you.
And it's a
Yeah.
lot harder to get negative space on smaller pieces as well
Yeah.
because it's hard to control how much paint.
Do you know what I love about this? This is, you wouldn't look at this and say Lisa did this.
No.
You know what I mean? Which I think is great. I think you guys should get like a friend to tell you what to do, and it kind of gets you out of your, you know what I
Your
mean?
comfort zone. You
Yeah.
get stuck in a rut and doing certain things.
It's true.
but look how crisp your cells are.
Very
And the
nice.
center's very defined.
Yeah. And I can't see the sparkle in this light, but let me bring you under the warm light so we can see.
I think it looks fantastic.
Yeah. Okay, we thought it'd be fun to compare using the exact same colors, but the way I would layer them and to see the different effects. So we'll do the exact same thing. However, my layering will be, I'm actually going to start with Mermaid. Is that a bubble or a bloop?
We like to play this game.
Yeah, bubble. We'll never know.
That's one.
Okay.
Out of sight, out of mind.
So I'm going to do Mermaid. Then I'm going to drizzle this, what's this one?
Whole bean mauve.
Mauve.
Mauve. I should really like that.
Then I'm going to go Macaw.
Ooh.
Okay. Then I'm going to go Cerulean.
Yeah. Cerulean Blue Deep by Golden.
Then I'm going to go, what is this?
Nightfall.
Thank you. And then I'm going to go,
Try out Quilla Violet.
and I think maybe I'll just do white cell activator.
You do you.
And we'll see. Although, I mean, I do love layering the cell activators. It does make cool cells. So when you're doing a double cell activator, you want to know, you want to think which color you want in the middle and which one you want on the edges. So if I did white and then Payne's Gray, the white would be in the middle, Payne's Gray in the edges. And the other way, Payne's Gray first, Payne's Gray, then white.
And will also mean that inside your actual cells, the one that's on top is the one that you're actually going to see. The one underneath is going to ring the cells,
Yeah.
which can be really cool. Just do white with that one.
Yeah.
Make it look cool.
Yeah. Ooh. These spoons are not the best. Okay, ready? You saw this was harder to blow out because the white, the water that I added.
There's a little bit there. Beautiful.
Ooh, look at that middle. I love that blue over.
Ooh, there is a cell that's got like a spiral of color in it. That's really cool.
Ooh, I'm gonna show you. So the spirals. I don't have my glasses, and I have paint on my phone. No.
Yeah, there's so much paint, but you can see that cell with the pink in the middle just here.
Yeah.
It's so cool. If it wants to focus.
No, it does not.
Guys, you've never seen someone's phone with more paint than Lisa's. It's ridiculous.
Oh yeah, that rainbow cell's gonna just grow nice.
Now you've got two cells with spirals in them. That's really awesome.
We don't know how I did it.
No. So don't ask. I was going to say, it's really interesting that you can really fling the paint around on the first go. If we did that with our Australian paints, you get warped cells so quickly.
Because your paint is like
Our
stickier.
paint is sticky.
Yeah.
It grips onto
Cool.
things.
These are cool. These are weird looking cells for sure, but kind of cool.
It's a very different result.
Yeah.
So the paint that you put in the middle is the one that you're going to see, or like the paint you put down first is the one you're going to see most in the middle. And you'll see that when we put them next to each other, because she used the mermaid first, that's the one you see more in here,
Yeah. Huh.
which is cool.
Yeah. And also because I only use white, the cells will look different as well.
Yeah.
But these are like really, I didn't even mean to like peacock or rainbow. I didn't mean to do any of it. All right, let's do, some really cool. Okay, let's do a close up. And did you guys learn something? Isn't it fun to layer differently and get out of your zone and discover new things and do accidental, excuse us. That's Mitchell's friend, Trent. He's so loud. And like, they're all very different. Still, this doesn't look like something I would have done, but cool and different. So have fun. Let me know what you think. Go follow Rain and Pours. He's the bomb. Bye.
Bye.
Here they are side by side. Yep.
You can definitely see the difference in the middle.
Yeah. Like the white, because the white doesn't sell up, it makes more lacing. So you can see that Payne's Gray helps it sell up nicely. Both very cute, both very different vibes. What do you think? Bye.